Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen, TGIF. That's right, it's Friday. Oh, what a week. It's been a week of comfort food, soups. Yeah. And it's not stopping. Um, Robin was over for dinner last night. That's right, it was Thursday. So, and she's actually coming over tonight as well. That's 3 times this week. Last night I prepared. It was a 2-part meal. One was a side. In the main. The side was cowboy caviar couscous salad. Wow, it's really good. Take cowboy caviar, which many of us know. Add some couscous. Basically, that's the gist. It's very good. We both agreed it will be added to the summer salad rotation. As you know, we do a lot of salads in the summer. Yeah, I don't need to explain. Then, because I've been bragging about these sandwiches since I made them the first time a few months ago, French onion grilled cheese. 30 plus minutes on the onions. She loved them. It was a fantastic meal. Yeah, we had a nice evening. It got cut short because she was really tired. She worked yesterday. So, yeah. But again, she's coming over tonight. Tonight, she chose. Actually, she didn't choose this one. 1 pan, creamy gnocchi, sun-dried tomatoes and peas. Let's get to it. And we got the gnocchi. I love that word. Gnocchi. Peas. Butter. Garlic. Good old sun-dried tomatoes. Heavy cream. White cooking wine. Dijon mustard. And Parmesan cheese. Honestly, it can't get much simpler than this. This is probably one of the simplest meals I've done in a while. It's not really, it's kind of a dump and run. There's stages to it, of course. But this one's really simple. But it should be full of flavor with the garlic, and the peas and the sun-dried tomatoes and the wine. And yeah, it should be really good. I'm looking forward to this one. All right. So on this TGIF, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.